Hi guys and welcome back to Autocraft Motor Caravans. Today we're going to be looking at how this 24 litre water tank fits on these specific vehicles. So the vehicles we're going to be looking at is the Vauxhall Vivaro, the Renault Trafic, the Fiat Talento, the Nissan Primastar and the Nissan NV300. Now it gets a little bit complicated with the years of these vehicles, so what we've done to make it easy is in the description below you can see which year and model this water tank will fit. Now, one benefit to this one is that the vehicle up front is all symmetrical, so you can fit two of these water tanks onto any of the vehicles in the description below. You can have one as fresh and one as waste, and we've had a perfect bracket kit made that's going to cradle the tank up the front of the chassis on these particular vehicles. Now, this two-piece bracket set's nice and simple, already pre-bent to the shape and already drilled, so it just makes fitting the tank very simple. There's several ways of filling this water tank. So this backfill system, which you can buy in kit form, is a fantastic option, whether you're building the camper van from scratch or you want to retrofit the water tank to an already converted vehicle. This is a fantastic option. You can also fill the water tank from the side fill in the black or the white fillers. So let's have a look around the chassis of the vehicle and exactly where this water tank will fit. Moving forwards, and just before we start fitting this water tank, let's have a little look at exactly where it can fit under these vehicles. So as we said, you can fit this tank on both sides, the left side and the right side of these models. And let's have a look to the left where the void is, towards the front of the chassis, just behind the passenger front wheel. And then again, directly opposite side, behind the driver's front wheel, we can see the second void. So now let's have a look at fitting this water tank. First of all, when fitting this 24 litre water tank, we're going to locate two rubber grommets under the chassis of the vehicle, one at the front and one at the rear. Once these grommets have been located and removed, you use the rear bracket, which we'll always refer to these brackets as front and rear, with the hook into the grommet hole, and then use a self-tapper provided to fix the bracket firmly. Once the rear bracket is firmly secured, then move on to the front bracket, and again, same as the rear, firmly fix this bracket using the self-tapper supplied. Now the brackets are up and firmly in position, you're going to use the brackets to simply cradle the tank roughly in the position the tank will be fitted. Once the tank is up in position, use the rear part of the straps to go behind the pipes on the chassis of the vehicle. Once the bracket's firmly secured to the chassis of the vehicle, use a self-tapper supplied to fix securely the tank in position. Once the rear bracket is securely fitted, move on to the front bracket. Once the second bracket is securely fitted, you can feel that the tank is very secure and tight to the chassis under the vehicle. From here, we can move forwards with however you're wanting to fill this water tank. Right guys, one thing is for sure that we love this water tank underneath these vehicles. It's tried and tested once again by Autocraft Motor Caravans. We hope this video has been helpful for you, and if it has, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.